little cafe with the best view over Neretva Valley. That's our opinion, but every time we are on our way to Dubrovnik, we stop here and have a coffee and cake. Hvala. Uvijek stanemo kad idemo za Dubrovnik na kolače, kavu. Almost every year around this time we drive down to Dubrovnik, not as tourists, but to visit our friend Martina. She works in hospitality, so she can't leave until the end of the season, which makes this the best way to see her. Driving to the estuary of river Neretva. So we are still driving towards the Neretva river estuary. This whole region is agricultural land. It's very rich. Oh wow, look. Not only it's a biodiversity and a natural reserve for birds, it is the rich soil and the river that brings all the nutrients from the mountains, because Neretva River is a very, very long river. It starts all the way in Bosnia and it ends here in the Adriatic Sea in Croatia. Wow, amazing, amazing. Oh. This tip of the river is usually a point where windsurfers are using all kinds of winds to fly. Okay, we are not camping, so we can go further. The camping forbidden. Oh wow. Let's go in. this is the exact spot where the river meets the Adriatic Sea. I don't know if you knew, but Neretva is the coldest river in the world, in the upper part, so the northern part in Bosnia, not here, of course, not here. It's very hazy today and it's very hot and humid, so sadly the images are not quite clear, but you can still have the feel of the place.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my bullshit till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Komarna. Never been here. Komarna is right near the Pelješac Bridge. So I'm trying to find the restaurant, which is quite hard. Listening to Google. Restaurant, cafe, bistro on the beach, like a big bar. And behind us is Pelješac Bridge and Peljesac Peninsula.
Of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall, and I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Hey! Sini! Wow! Jadransko more or Adriatic Sea. Unbelievable. Idemo Lupa, idemo. Pelješac Bridge, which is an architectural wonder and significantly reduced traveling to Dubrovnik. It connects Pelješac Peninsula with the mainland, so Before it was only available with crossing over Bosnia and Herzegovina and then again entering Croatia. So this is a huge, huge thing for Croatia. But we are crossing the Adriatic Sea right now, so I know. On this side maybe, yeah. Jadranska Magistrala. Very famous and very beautiful Croatian road. It goes all the way from Istria down south to Dubrovnik. Best view over Port Gruž in Dubrovnik. We just arrived at the bridge, and every time we go to Martina we stop to admire the view like many tourists do. Currently there is only one cruise ship in the harbor, but usually it can be up to 5. It's afternoon right now. Pretty calm. Just few minutes before we meet with Martina, and we are very thankful that Martina has her own paid garage, because parking is very difficult in Dubrovnik. As she told us now that we can't go all the way with car to the old town, and she lives near the Pillar Gate, so that's practically the stone walls of Dubrovnik. So just few minutes more, and it's unbelievable that 20 years ago we had our honeymoon in Dubrovnik, in her villa. Lupa is also tired, and she doesn't know that actually Dubrovnik is a city of cats. So we will see how that goes. Okay. I sad?
Još niže. I onda sad dole coldest. Tu vidiš?
Okay.
Ne vidim crne, ne vidim ništa.
A još nekako treba dole. Pa treba sad.
Ne znam.
Can I? Yes. This is the beginning of the upright in a street. Lovely Dubrovnik with gazillion staircases. Right? Only Lupa enjoys it until we meet the first cat. Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
Dobar dan.
Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free, born mine. I remember when you told me I should settle down, but these restless feet won't keep me grounded. The open road's the only place I found where I feel alive, and the stars will guide me. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free, born mine. Free, you can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free, born mine. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free, born mine. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free, born
si se otvorio. Opet. O, njam, njam, njam. It's good to be here. Lupa, jeste da više zbog From Martina's terrace, our view opens directly to the fortress of Lovrijenac. For us, it is not just a postcard scene, it is a reminder of what this city was always stood for. Above the gate of Lovrijenac's fortress are the words, "Freedom is not sold for all the gold in the world." This city has always understood the value of things. And for us, that value is friendship. Martina has been part of our lives for so many years. Distance, time, even the hardships we've all faced, none of it changes what's real. True friendship, like freedom, is never for sale. It only grows stronger, and it's more precious than gold. And when I'm standing this early morning on a terrace of Martina's villa, I am again reminded of a true friendship that we had through years.
can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, moon. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Like I said, we are in Cavtat and enjoying our lunch. Everything looks delicious.
The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, moon.
Nice little family walk.
I push
in
back the
Cavtat.
serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know.
A nice little walk in Cavtat with my family.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't.
Check out
I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Martina and looking at some dresses.
Svijetle ili ove?
Da, tamo
Upravo
je
se
ono.
slažem.
Baš su fora, ono.
And our taxi trip from Cavtat to Dubrovnik is starting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost lift off.
We are all dressed up and ready to go for the lunch. And this time, daily duty to taking care of Lupa, because it's very, very busy today in Dubrovnik. And people generally don't care about small dogs. So, heading off to find kitchen, and I hope they have places for us, because we didn't reserve a table. So, and this is our last day, because tomorrow morning we are heading back home. So, usual crowds for Dubrovnik.
There is avocado.
Oh wow, that's for holy burek. Why? Why is that burek so special? I mean, really. Look at it. Look at the queues. Unbelievable. Like, there is no other places in Dubrovnik to eat. Unbelievable, really. Okay, so looking for soul kitchen. Where is it? Udesno. Going right, mingling, trying to survive, not to step on anyone's toes. Let's turn this baby around. Come on. But we didn't sit. So this is a soul kitchen. Oh, cool. Let's try to find space. Reserved? No place for us. No. Nema mjesta. Oh. No, we need to choose another. Well. Yay! They opened the table for us, so yay! We love Soul Kitchen up till now. They opened the table for us, and everyone is queuing, so yippee! Even the baby's here. Lupa! We got the table, we got the table, yay! Okay, I need to film this. Take it cheesy is the name of the dish. And then when a man loves a burger, when a woman loves a burger, so the names are really funny. My heart beats for you. Wow, you are one in a melon. I'm gonna eat you are one in a melon. Definitely, that will be mine.
Ja nisam nikakvi kontrol freak.
Ja samo volim sve imati isplanirano. I pod kontrolom. Wow, that was scary. No, that was scary. Where is the food? I can only stop playing with this camera if the food arrives soon. Yay! Did I mention food? So, yay! And wave to the camera. That's for sharing, so thank you. Okay, nothing without taking pictures from my hubby. It's somehow appropriate to have this bad weather and rain the last day in Dubrovnik because we are leaving in the morning and like the wind is picking up. We have, I don't know, several weather warnings, wind, rain and thunderstorms. So we were blessed to have a really nice time with Martina. Yay! Hi. We ate, we swam. We walked a lot, enjoyed Dubrovnik, and this is it for now. So enjoy the last shots from Dubrovnik on a rainy, rainy day. Prigrizak, sad ste se najeli. Ajme. Sad kad mi odemo idućih tjedan dana oporavak.
Hvala da ćemo ostati ključak.
Thank you.